On a Saturday in mid-March in the afternoon, Periwinkle and Nate's owner had 4 birdhouses that were custom made to be put in the backyard. The birdhouses were to be installed by the professional builder at around 10 a.m. The style of the birdhouses were California style homes. Periwinkle and Nate were playing in the obstacle course in the backyard that was set up by the owner at around 3:00 p.m. The backyard obstacle course had a tunnel, slide, platform with slope, and a hiding box. At around 4:00 p.m., the first visitors had came to the backyard. The 2 yellow-bellied cuckoos were flying from the left side of the yard. And so the California native small birds admired the birdhouse on the left side of the yard that was approximately 65 feet away. And so they went to settle in the orange birdhouse. Out in the yard, Periwinkle and Nate's owner was putting up 2 hammocks on the right center of the yard. Then all of a sudden, Periwinkle and Nate stopped playing in the obstacle course to look at the 3 lesser goldfinches flying right by. The owner saw the lesser goldfinches and took a picture of them flying by. Next, Periwinkle and Nate ran fast through the red and purple tunnel to see the 3 finch birds go into the gray bungalow California style birdhouse. At around 4:30 p.m., there were 2 western blue jays that was also California native birds. They were walking right in front of the orange birdhouse with the two arch entryways. The birdhouse was 15 feet from the ground. Periwinkle and its owner was able to take memorable pictures with a camera that had a close-up long lens. Lastly, the fourth birdhouse had 5 gnat catcher birds that also native to California that was in the birdhouse that was at the edge of the backyard. Periwinkle and Nate were bouncing on a medium-sized trampoline to get a better view of the gnat snatcher birds. The owner was also able to get close-up pictures of the birds as well. Then, right after that, the 2 hammocks were ready to be relaxed in. Periwinkle and Nate's owner had given Nate and Periwinkle a hammock that was red and light blue, while their owner's hammock was plain light blue. Periwinkle and Nate went to try out their hammock. The owner had taken 2 memorable pictures for a scrapbook that was labeled Backyard Memories. At 5:00 p.m., it was time to go inside the house for dinner. Inside the kitchen, Nate had chicken stew, Periwinkle had salmon, and the owner had chicken with rice pilaf.